In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Android phone with pop-up ads. To start, the first step is to restart your Android phone. This simple action may seem trivial, but it can be incredibly effective. Restarting your phone clears temporary files and stops unwanted processes that might be causing the pop-up ads. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button until you see the options appear on the screen. Select Restart, and your phone will power down and back up again. Once the device has restarted, you may notice a difference. This is an essential first step to ensure that you are working with a fresh system. Next, open the Settings app on your phone. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, which is usually located on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on the Settings icon will bring you to a menu filled with options to customize your device. This part is crucial because accessing the settings allows you to manage how your phone operates. From here, you can navigate through various features that help improve your phone's performance and security. Now tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device. It's important to locate this area because it allows you to see which apps may be causing issues, such as those pesky pop-up ads. When you tap Apps, you will be presented with a list of all your installed applications. This gives you insight into what is running on your phone and what might need attention. After that, check the recently installed apps. Look for any apps that you don't recognize or that were installed around the time the pop-up ads started appearing. This is significant because many times intrusive ads come from newly installed applications that have not been vetted properly. Identifying these apps early can save you a lot of trouble. If you find anything suspicious, make a note of it as you prepare for the next step. Next, uninstall any suspicious apps. If you identified any unfamiliar applications, tap on them to open their settings. You will find an option to uninstall the app. Tap Uninstall and confirm your choice. This action is vital because removing harmful apps can drastically reduce the number of pop-up ads you encounter. Once you uninstall these apps, you should see a noticeable decrease in unwanted ads. Now, open the Google Play Store. This is where you can manage your apps and ensure that you have the latest updates. To access the Play Store, find the application icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you are in the Google Play Store, you can check for updates and security features that protect your device from malicious software. This step is essential for maintaining the health of your phone. From there, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your account. It is important to access this menu to manage your account settings and security features. Keeping your account secure is a key part of preventing issues like pop-up ads from returning. Next, tap Play Protect. This is a built-in feature of the Google Play Store that scans your device for harmful apps and files. By selecting Play Protect, you are taking a proactive approach to secure your device. This step is crucial because it helps identify and remove any malicious software that could be causing ads to pop up. Now tap Scan. This initiates a scan of your device, checking for any harmful applications or files. You will see a progress bar indicating that the scan is taking place. Once the scan is complete, you will receive a report on the safety of your apps. This gives you peace of mind and ensures your device is secure. After that, open Chrome. This is often the default web browser on Android devices. By addressing settings in Chrome, you can mitigate many pop-up ads that occur while browsing the internet. To access Chrome, look for the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it. Next, tap the three vertical dots, also known as the More option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping this will open a drop-down menu with various options related to browsing. This step is important because it leads you to the settings where you can adjust how Chrome handles ads and pop-ups. Now tap Settings. This option will take you to the Settings menu specifically for Chrome. Here you can make various adjustments to improve your browsing experience and security. This is crucial as it allows you to take control over how your browser interacts with websites and ads. Next, tap Site Settings. This section contains specific preferences for how websites behave when you visit them. By accessing site settings, you can manage things like permissions and notifications. Adjusting these settings can reduce unwanted interruptions while browsing. Finally, turn off pop-ups and redirects. This option will prevent websites from displaying unwanted pop-ups that can be irritating or even harmful. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. This little step saves you a lot of time later by keeping your browsing experience cleaner and more enjoyable. Also, turn on safe browsing. This feature provides an extra layer of security by warning you about potentially harmful sites. Toggling this option on ensures that you are protected from malicious content. By completing these steps, you should see a significant reduction in pop-up ads on your Android phone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps improve your device's performance.